Hey guys, today I just giving you an update on my gold and silver recovery stuff that I've done. This is just some of the things I've ripped apart and put in different bottles to keep them separate. But I'm going to show you how much silver and how much gold I actually do have set up for stuff. That is all my silver I've taken apart. It's actually on a silver mylar from an old screen. But this is all silver right here. These things though, I know that tab is silver right there. But this has the same color and stuff, and it come out of freaking, what the hell was it? One of those circuit breakers on in your house. It actually went with this, I believe, to where it touched right, there to art when it would whatever. There was two of them, one here and one here. But I don't know what this base metal is right here. It almost looks just like that silver, and it's really light. It's not, no magnetism to it at all. And then that's all the gold stuff I've ripped apart so far. Just gold pins and little things like that. Some of these I still had the plastics on them I got to take off. But that's all gold plated stuff right there. Okay, and then this drawer, actually down in here is a bunch of stuff I still have to take apart. This drawer is the one that I showed everybody already. I've got tons and tons of boards in here, all different kinds. And then this drawer I just started. It's got boards, aluminum heat sinks, couple freaking little modems, and hard drives, and then this. Actually, I got more. This is my RAM sticks. Give me a sec to open it, guys. Sorry about the bounciness. There. Alright. There. Those is the RAM sticks that I was telling you guys about. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, start that again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wherever that one was 11, 12, and 13. So I got 13 of these things now. And I'm just going to keep adding them up. So I can't wait because spring cleanup's coming around. And I'm going to get a hell of a lot more electronics. I already know that. So this drawer is going to be full, that drawer is going to be full, and I'll fill up everything else too. Because as you can see, this whole bureau is all just junk stuff that I've been collecting and taking apart. That tote thing is just all little miscellaneous things. It's got aluminum heat sinks in it, all sorts of little copper things, and all sorts of just little stuff I haven't ripped apart yet. Oh, that's nice. real tender. And then this is where I've been throwing all my copper stuff, copper bearing motors and anything that has copper in it, transistors, all been getting tossed in that. And all my tin and stuff has been thrown outside. Get! Sorry about that, my cat was sitting there playing with myself. I had to stop her. She was starting to knock around this and chew on it, and I don't really want that. But have a good day, peeps. Peace out from the res.